My name is Jenny. Today I will show you my presentation. The title is about my trip. Listen carefully. I went with my family on the Iceland. The name is Juttu. My family and I were fishing on the day and night. I caught and touched pufferfish. My brother's pufferfish name is Jackie. My sister's pufferfish name is Boogie. My pufferfish name is Nemo. The Iceland is very interesting place. Thank you for listening. Bye bye.